everyone, this is Jama and we're part of Sephora Squad. Today we'll be doing another makeup tutorial on the soft pink monochromatic look. I would say this is spring look as well because it's very dreamy, very springy, very soft. So if you're interested in, keep on watching. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to show on this eye how we're going to do it. The palette Master Metallics eyeshadow palette by Mario. So this one I like to use since it's metallic. I like to use it with my finger all over my eyelid towards my crease. It's just better when you apply with finger because you thin it out. That way it's going to be less messy. This eyeshadow palette is more shimmer, so it's easy to blend. The next one I'm going to use number 19's 4 collection brush. It's a blending brush like this. I'm going to go with the color metallic number. I will apply this on the outer corner of my eyes and blend it towards my crease. Same color, I'm gonna apply a little bit under eyes too. And here's my next color. It's metallic number 2. It's beautiful metallic pink color, so it's a little bit of sparkle. I like to use this with my finger as well. I'm applying mostly on the eyelid, but blending in. Now we're gonna go with a small brush to the light color like this. I applied a little bit of brown eyeliner under my eyes off camera, so you can kind of see it's got a little bit bolder. Now I'm going to apply little false lashes and it's going to come all together really pretty. False lashes does the everything, and now all together it looks super pretty. So the next one we're going to apply blush, my favorite part of the makeup. It's a Lawless, color name is Soft Nectar. It's pretty bright color, so we're going to need to like to apply on an apple and over here too, a little bit on the nose. And the last step is my favorite ever. It's called Melting Lip Clicks, and I use the number 4 cotton candy. You need to just see how beautiful it looks. It's a lip balm with a color. Gives you right away fresh look. Beautiful. This is probably one of my favorite lip balm I ever tried. Look at that. Voila! This is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please thumbs up on this video. Everything I use on this video, I put list in description box. Check it out, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!